In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Twilio API key, guiding you step by step through this straightforward process. Whether you're setting up a new application or just exploring Twilio's capabilities, obtaining an API key is one of the fundamental tasks to enhance your project's communication features. To start, we'll first need to access the Twilio Console. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Twilio Console page. Once there, you should see fields to enter your credentials. Enter your username and password carefully, ensuring that no typos slip in, as these could prevent access to your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. Once logged in, let's navigate to the API Keys section. Look for the Admin button, which you'll find conveniently placed in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From these options, go ahead and select Account Management. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Twilio account. Under Account Management, click on API Keys and Tokens. This will take you to the page where you can manage your existing keys or create new ones. Now you're ready to create a new API key. On the API Keys and Tokens page, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Create API Key. Click on that, and a form will appear for you to fill in the details. Begin by choosing a friendly name. This name should be descriptive enough to remind you what the key is for. Next, pick a region based on where your application will be used. It's important as it could affect latency and performance. Under key type, you have several choices. You can opt for a standard key, which offers full access to all Twilio API resources. Or if you need something simpler, you might choose the main key, which is equivalent to having your account SID and auth token. Additionally, there's the restricted key, which offers fine-tuned access but is only available in the United States region. Make your selections thoughtfully based on your project's requirements. After you've provided all necessary details, proceed to create the key. Immediately after its creation, Twilio will display two pieces of critical information: the SID, which is your API key's unique identifier, and the secret, which is confidential. Copy these carefully and store them securely right away, because you won't be able to view the secret again after this point. Finally, it's time to put this API key to work. Use the SID and secret in your application to authenticate your API requests. For optimal security, it's strongly advised to use environment variables or secure vaults to store these credentials, rather than embedding them directly into your codebase. Before we wrap up, here's an important reminder. Regularly rotate your API keys, monitor their usage, and promptly revoke any keys that are no longer required or may have been compromised. Taking these precautionary steps will help keep your application secure and operating smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you seamlessly integrate Twilio